have a review for you guys. This is on Overtone. The company reached out and sent me these for review purpose. If you've been around my channel for a while, you guys know I don't like the brassiness that comes naturally out in my hair, and I have tried different products to reduce this, and this is something that will do that. And I'm going to go through the products that I've tried out, also some of the products that they've sent me that I will have future reviews on. But first, let's get into the two main ones that I tried out and will be reviewing this video. The first one is their mask, and then the second one is their daily conditioner. So let's start off with the mask. This is the Overtone Color Depositing Treatment Mask. This is supposed to last 2 to 3 weeks in your hair, and they have a plethora of different colors available. I have the shade Espresso Brown. If my job allowed me to have fun colors, I would jump on a lot of their colors because they have so many fun colors to try out. I have kind of thought about maybe doing a chunk of my hair with like their reddish one, or they have like a reddish brown one, but we'll see, because you know, I would have to see how it would play into my hair, if like I could do like under highlights with that reddish brown. We'll see. I'm not a fan of bleaching my hair, but I've thought about like doing like under highlights like I used to have back in the day. But anyways, so let's get back into this. This is $32 for the mask. It's vegan and cruelty free. It's female founded. There's no synthetic fragrances. It's free from ammonia, formaldehyde, and parabens, and it is assembled in the USA. So this one right here is a very thick mask. It almost feels like, I don't know, like a really thick pudding when you use it. And I will show video here to the side of me applying it, what my hair looked like before. So let me go ahead and show you guys a before footage so you guys can see what the hair looked like beforehand. It has like an orangey kind of tinge to it. My hair just naturally does that because I have golden undertones. And so something that I like to do is like even it out so that it looks less brassy, and they also have one available for that, so I think I'm going to purchase that one and see how that works on its own. But this will, they have different like scales or charts on their website, so depending on where your hair is at, you'll see what gradient you'll get by using this. And then as you use it more, it will develop more, not develop because it's like a conditioner, but it will become darker the more you use it. So you are depositing more and more color on it. So for example, if you're blonde and then use this, it'll show it on a chart, and that way you can see kind of like have an idea of how it's going to look like on your hair, including like darker hair colors as well. So definitely use the chart so that way you have more realistic expectations on what to expect. So once you apply this on your hair, it's super thick. I left it for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinsed it out, and I can definitely see a difference. So I'm going to put the before and after together here on the side so you guys can see how different my hair looked. And this does have a really nice minty smell to it, and it feels really nice on the hair. It leaves the hair very nice and smooth and like very hydrated, so I really enjoyed it. I love the fact that you can deposit color without actually like dyeing your hair or doing any damage to your hair. So I feel like if you especially have brassiness like I do, or like if you have blonde hair, you want to keep up the blonde but not continuously like keep adding dye, or a lot of products have ammonia in them and damage your hair, this is a great way to do that. Another thing that is great is for those who have like really fun funky colors, you know, like blues and greens and pinks and purples. I would be so excited if my job allowed me to do that at some point, because I would do purple and pink like in a heartbeat. But that's just something like it's an option for you if you are looking for something to keep it up. I have done pink, purple, red in the past, and it is something that requires a lot of upkeep. So I do feel like this is a good way of doing that without damaging your hair, because it is such a hydrating conditioner to your hair, and it's depositing color at the same time. The second product that we're going to talk about is the Daily Conditioner. This covers as well and adds pigment just like the mask does, but it isn't as thick when you apply it onto the hair. So it's more of a conditioner type of vibe to it. And the mask, like, she is thick, like frosting thick. Like, you feel her when she is going on. It's like super, super thick. They both have like a mint smell to them, which is really nice. And this one, again, for both of these, you want to use gloves because you don't want to stain yourself, and you will like stain yourself quite a bit. I have been able to, just with cotton, once I finish, like clean up around my hairline and have had no issues. Even today I got some like on my neck and on my chest area, and it was able to wash away with no issue. So I haven't had any issue with staining, but they do sell something to help with staining. I might purposely stain myself next time with this mask to try out one of their products to review for you guys. But with this one, 3 to 5 minutes. It's a conditioner. You're gonna leave it on and then pop in the shower and wash your hair like normal. So with this one, okay, I'm just throwing stuff all over the place. With this one, I feel like you're not going to get as much of a color deposit as this one. You can just tell that this one is just way, way more like thick and adds a lot of color. I still like this because at the same time, it's like a quicker version of the other one, and this kind of just upkeeps until you do another mask. This one is a lot more affordable. This one is $13.50, and likewise, it comes in all their other shades that they have the mask in. And then with this one, it says to use once a week, while this one is every like 2 to 3 weeks. So I feel like if you use them in combination, you could probably do this once a month and then once a week with this and keep up your color. Overall, I have to say I really love how soft my hair was left. I love the color itself, like a beautiful kind of espresso color without fully losing the golden undertones in my hair, which I really enjoy. My hair loses that brassiness that I don't really like, where it starts leaning a little bit more orangey. So it's really, really nice. I did see on their website that they have one that's specifically for brunettes to take away that brassiness. Let me know if you guys want a review on that one, because I can purchase it and definitely try it out for you guys. Overall, I do feel like this is really cool because it conditions your hair, it deposits color, and you're able to upkeep a color without having to like go through like really dyeing it over, you know, processing your hair. So I really enjoy this type of product, and this is really, really great. I will have to say my only con is that this bottle I wish was a jar. This got so dirty because I had to keep squeezing it out, and the bottles are something that I don't care for when you have to try to like squeeze something out. It's a little bit of a lighter, not as thick a formula as this, but it's still kind of thick to get out of the bottle. So you really have to squeeze the bottle to get it out. And when you have gloves and you're applying this into your hair, it's going to get the bottle all dirty because your gloves are dirty. So I did have to rinse this out. I feel like you can it looks clean because I did rinse it right away. You can see some of the edges here are dirty, and it's because of that, because of the fact that I had to keep with my gloves squeezing some out to apply to my hair. So I wish that this was in a jar similar to this one, and then maybe they could differentiate it somehow, like, I don't know, like one jar be all white and say conditioner really big on it, and then this one mask, or I don't know, something like that, because I just feel like this was way easier to apply on my hair because of the fact I just opened it once and closed it once, compared to this. Every time I needed some more, I'm like squeezing the bottle, getting it out, and then trying to apply it to the hair. So that's just something to watch out for. This one creates a little bit more of a mess because of that. The only thing I can think of is just taking the cap completely off, and that way I can just like squeeze it. But even then, I feel like I'm going to go back and squeeze some more because of the fact that this opening is way smaller than, for example, the mask. But overall, I do highly recommend these. I really liked the way this worked on my hair, the way it looked, the taking away the brassiness, the adding a little bit more depth and the espresso color on my hair. And I will be upkeeping it. I will also purchase the brunette one. Let me know if you guys want a review on that one to see if it takes away the brassiness of just my natural hair without depositing any color whatsoever. The other things that they sent me are the Overtone, the stain remover. So I'm going to purposely, next time I do the mask, like stain my forehead, and then we can test this out together and do a review. This is supposed to take out stains from your face, scalp, neck, body, and hands, and has botanical extracts. So we shall test this out and see. Well, you know what? I actually have a stain right there on my finger. So let's go ahead and see. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if this works and if it takes it away. Ooh, okay. So I'm working this in and it is removing it. Do you guys see that? So that is really cool. And it also has like a minty smell to it. It's like a clear gel with a minty smell to it. I was thinking I was gonna have to stain my forehead or something to purposely have a stain for you guys to see if it works. But that is really cool, and it just dries down completely, leaves no residue. That is really, really cool, especially if you're somebody who's currently always dyeing your hair and want to take out, and especially if you have like bright colors, pink, purple, you know, reds and stuff, and if you get that on your skin, this would be a lifesaver. So that is really cool. It says it removes the overtone color stains from the skin, which is really, really cool. And then I will do a separate video for these because I haven't tried these out yet. This one is called the Overtone the Gloss. This is a deep conditioner for to add shine to your hair, and you're supposed to use this before getting in the shower, kind of like a mask before the shower. And then the other one is called the Remedy. This is for fine hair and is a colorless hair mask. So it's basically like kind of like their mask, but just colorless. And I'm excited to try these out as well. And all of their stuff has like a minty kind of smell to it. And I think it's because if you look inside their ingredients, it has a lot of oils like jojoba oil, kernel oil, coconut oil, all kinds of different like really organic oils or like natural oils. And then it also has spearmint in there. So spearmint, obviously mint, and I think that that's the main kind of smell that you're getting from their brand. But I do like it just because it's like a very clean smell. So that's just something to watch out for. If mint is not your cup of tea, this might be a skip for you. But if you don't mind it, I do really feel like it's like invigorating and nice, and it's not overpowering either. Like when I was sitting there for like 20 minutes with the mask on, I didn't feel like, oh my god, I'm so overwhelmed by the smell. I like smelled it as I was applying it, but once it was like on my hair, I didn't feel like it was something that was overstimulating my nose or anything like that. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I can't wait to try these other two for you guys and review them for you guys. But so far, I really, really love this mask. I love the daily conditioner. I really want to try out some of the other shades that are like more on the natural range that would be okay with my job. So they do have like a brownish like a cherry red, so I think that would be fun. Some more like natural shades that would be permitted at my job. So let me know if you guys want to see that. I really think that I would be okay with like maybe doing some bleach down here and doing like under highlights, and then using those shades that might be a little bit more fun but still in the natural range, and allowed at my job. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful if you've ever thought about trying Overtone, and let me know if you have any questions. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I have socials down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.